Let's talk about the incredible journey a butterfly takes to get its wings.
Well, it's a super cool change called metamorphosis. Let's see exactly how it works. Think of it like a life map. First an egg, then a caterpillar, a chrysalis, and finally a butterfly.
It's like having a real-life superpower to change your entire body. How cool is that?
So, where does it all start? With a very, very tiny egg.
The mom butterfly is super smart. She lays her eggs right on the caterpillar's first meal.
And then, pop, a tiny caterpillar hatches out. This little guy is also called a larva. And this caterpillar has one job: to eat. It just munches and crunches all day to grow.
And get this, it can grow 100 times bigger than when it hatched. Whoa! Okay, once it's full, the caterpillar finds a safe spot for its most amazing trick. It builds this protective shell, called a chrysalis. But the real magic is happening inside.
And butterflies make a hard chrysalis, while moths make a soft, silky cocoon.
So what's going on in there? This is the craziest part of the whole story. You ready? You're not going to believe this. The caterpillar's body literally turns into a gooey soup. Seriously. But don't worry, special little parts, kind of like secret blueprints, are saved from the soup.
These blueprints use that soup as fuel to build everything new, like wings and long legs. Then, after a few weeks, it's time for the big reveal. The chrysalis starts to open.
And wow, look at that. What used to be a crawler is now a beautiful, flying butterfly. But wait, its wings are all wet and folded up. It has to pump them up to dry.
Okay, so now that it can fly, this new butterfly has a very important job.
What's that job? To start the whole amazing story all over again by laying new eggs.
And check this out. Some butterflies have wings with big fake eyes to scare away birds.
So you see, it's a whole circle of life. This amazing change is happening all around us.
So next time you spot a butterfly, you'll know its incredible secret story. Pretty cool, huh?